Hi guys, it's Kristen with Designs and Do-Overs, and as the sign says, I have an unboxing from Lapidary Dave, and I bought a cabochon and that he cut during one of his lives, and then he also said he was gonna give me a couple others. So here's the bag. I opened it. All I've done is open it. I haven't looked. So and you can find him in Facebook, and that's it. Okay. Facebook and Instagram, and then of course YouTube channel. His YouTube channel is Lapidary Dave. I'm assuming the big one is my stone that I bought. Oh, there it is. Look, guys, turquoise. Ah, look at that. Ah, there's the. Oh, maybe I should put it in white. It's not quite there. Let me see if I can get higher exposure for us here. And I will zoom in on the. It doesn't like that total high exposure. There we go. This is a gorgeous stone. I can't wait. I don't remember where it was from. He'll have to tell me. Again, look at that stone though. It's great. Usually they sell turquoise by the carat weight. So we make sure my scale is on. And how are we looking? There we go. Bring this down a little. We'll see if we can get there. And it's zeroed out, and it is on carat. Oops. Oh, I love it. And 22 carats. Zero it out. Turquoise. Yeah. 22 carats. That's awesome. Let's see. What else did he send me? I'm so excited. I think that's another type of turquoise. That one's good. I like that. Nice size. It is, I'll give you the measurements in a minute. 16 carats. It's green Turk. 16 CT. And he sent me one more as a thank you also. Which is so nice of him. He did not have to do that, but I'm thrilled that he did because these puppies are awesome. Ooh. Oh, I love that. And this one is 12.5, so 13. It rounds up. Oh, I'm thinking, I can't remember what this is called, but it's another type of turquoise. I think it's the same as this one. And it is 12.5 CTs. And it is awesome. Oh, there goes my thing. And I will find out from him what type. And hey, I think he sells, I don't know if he sells by the gram or the carat. It's $5. If it's by the gram, I'd have to reweigh them by the gram for you guys. But those are what I got from him. Let's see. Let's zero you out and change my unit back to grams. And we will get a test on each of those. This one is 4.3. And then this one's a heavier one. Stone, it's denser, 3.3 grams. And the last one, we're on 2.6. GT, I know that was that one. So I think he sells his between $5 and $10 depending on the type. So I'm assuming this one is probably $7 a gram. And these are probably both 5. 5. So then now I need a calculator because, well, that's not going to happen in my brain. 7 equals. So this would be about a $30 cab, 30 to 30 or so, and then 3.3 is going to be 15 something. So $16.50. And that was a gift, so that was sweet, and I'll use it. And 6 times 5, that's 13. And this one was a gift too, which is awesome. This one's the one I'm excited to use that. I was gonna do a pendant, but it's not that big. I think, well, it is. It's big, but it's not that big. I think I'm going to, I don't have my calipers sitting here, do I? I think this one I will probably make into a ring for myself. $20 millimeters by 27. The biggest. This looks like it's about 18. And that one's probably about 20 again. So that's cool. I'm excited. Thank you, Mr. Lapidary Dave, for my beautiful pieces. I guess I can put them this way. Please do go look. I'm going to see him at Tucson and the Tucson Gem and Mineral and Gem Show. And I'm going to be there the 27th through the 31st or the 30th. I can't remember. But I am going to be there and I am going to see him. And I just ordered off his last live. He was selling his like scraps and such, and another piece of turquoise that he cabbed I think I'm getting to. So I paid for that. And I know you're going to ask me what I paid for this. Was with shipping, it was $20 for all 3 of these. So I feel like I did really good. And what I like even better is that I know who cut it, and I got to see him cut it. So to me, that makes it all worth it. So yeah, I'm gonna have fun. I think I have some green stones I'm gonna put with those, and this I might put a little onyx with it. Ooh. I will come back and show you guys that. Thank you for checking in with me today. I have a couple more unboxings that I'll probably do, or hauls, and then I will of course be here every Tuesday at 9 p.m. Mountain Time, which is 12 a.m. Eastern, and I do my beads and cab sales then. And so I'll have that, and I will have my kits going up for, I didn't do January kits specifically just because Christmas and I didn't get them done, but I'll have them going up in the next week or so and they'll be for more Valentine's-y, and I will do a garnet one for the babies, the January babies. So I will talk to you later. Thanks for stopping in at Designs and Do-Overs, and have a great day, everybody.